Hello! Tonkatsu is my favorite recipe in the world. That's gonna be my last supper for sure. But recently when I look up pork fillet, I was just thinking, there must be something else. Some other recipe. Then I just found a new recipe with pork fillet. This is it. The ingredients are pork fillet, shimeji mushroom, and ginger, potato starch, black vinegar, sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. First of all, grate the ginger and put all the condiments together in a bowl except the black vinegar. Next, slice it in nice sizes of pork fillet. Then try to make them flat with the bottom of the kitchen knife. Sprinkle salt and pepper and potato starch. To cover the whole meat to get ready for stir fry. Now, heat the pan with the olive oil. Then, stir fry the pork fillet. Make them nice and golden brown for both sides. Add shimeji mushroom, then put a lid to grill it for about 3 minutes. Add the mixed condiments and the black vinegar. Put back the lid on for about another 3 minutes. That's it. So, as you could see, it was just so easy to cook. As you put a lid on, that's gonna steam the meat, therefore making the meat so tender. いただきます。Plus, you could really enjoy the great taste of shimeji mushroom with teriyaki sauce. This is totally different from frying the pork. I found a new recipe. I'm just so happy with it. I hope you'll be happy with this recipe too. So, thank you for watching. See you!